Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel at Official Oma Studios, where will help you understand cryptocurrency. Well, today I'm going to be explaining some copy trading templates on gateio. Some of these templates will be focusing mostly on the ones that are reliable and long-term yield. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up for this video. So let's step right into it. The first you want to do, like you all know, is to do what? Is to visit your gateio website or page using your Android or your PC. So now this is our gateio from homepage. So the next thing I want to do is navigate to copy trading, which is new, which is hot, which is spicy. So let's tap on it. Like you already know what copy trading is all about. So now I talked about some in my previous post. We talked about the strategy. We talked about this copy trading strategy pool. We talked about this quantitative ranking. So now we'll be talking about this new strategies templates. As you can see it here, strategies templates. Now when we talk about this, let's just tap on it. So now when you tap on this strategy template, we have basically three. Okay, we have basically, let's say two, or no, let's just call it three. We have, the first one is reliable and long-term yield. The first one is the reliable and long-term yield, and the second one is CTA signal tracing. Second one is CTA signal tracing. So this is just it. So now for us to dive into this reliable and long-term yield, this reliable and long-term yield are the ones that no matter how you copy those trades, you must definitely get some yield. You must earn. So this is what this reliable and long-term yield is all about. So now in this reliable and long-term yield, they have about, it has about 6 strategies in it. It has about 6 strategies in it, and these strategies I cannot cover them all in this one post. Okay, I think we'll get started. These strategies, we have here sports grid trading. We have in the other one futures grid. We have the unlimited grid. We have smart rebalance. We have margin grid, and we have spot futures arbitrage. These are different trading strategies that you can utilize on copy trading in gateio. So now like I said, there are 6 of them. So now the first one, which says spot grid trading. So according to what we have here, this is the spot grid trading. It says friendly to naive users. No need to watch markets all the time. Make automated quotes and trade 7 to 24. That means make automated quotes and trade 7 days, 24 hours in a day, and 7 days. We call it 247. To sell high and buy low. So it's a friendly to naive users, people who doesn't want to stress themselves making research, doing analysis, trying to come online every time to come and just be checking the chart. So this is friendly to naive users. So it is a spot grid trading. So for us to get started in this, if you should take a very good look at this, if you want to get started on this spot grid trading, you just have to tap on this place that says create strategy, and here you go to this place that says BTC USDT. Click on this arrow and select the market. This is market. Select the coin you want or project you want to make use of. Then you go down and go ahead with it. So another thing you should be attentive to is this place that says total investment. Below here you see a place that says not less than 204.6149 USDT, which means you should have more than 204. It says should not be less than 204 USDT for this. That is if you want to make use of the spot grid trade, if you want to make use of BTC USDT in the spot grid trading. So now what is the spot grid trading? A spot grid trading is a trading strategy of selling high and buying low, and is suitable for volatility markets. So this is what it is. It says by setting the price range, the number of grids, by setting the price range and the number of grids. Then the funds are divided into multiple grids, which will be used to buy, in which the price of the base currency falls, and to sell out when the price rises grid by grid. The strategy profits from repeated selling highs and buying low. So like I said, this one is mostly for people that doesn't have time to, okay, you can just be, if you know what a swing trader is, a person who buys low and sells high, a person who doesn't waste much time on a trade. You just want to buy, do quick trade. So this is what sports grid trading basically is all about. So now the next one here is futures grid. So what is a future grid? So basically it says here advanced version of grid trading. Advanced version of grid trading. Amplify your profit with multiplied purchase power using leverage. So it's more like futures trading, normal futures trading, but it is not. It's an advanced version of the spot grid trading. So it said, just as its name implies, futures grids are a combination of spot grid trading and futures trading. I know you understand what futures trading is. So this strategy will divide your investment into several grids and keep buying low and selling high within the particular price range. So this strategy can bring great profit to users when going long or short. So you can either go long or short. So and to start the grid trade, you just have to come to this part that says create your strategy and tap on it, and you can go ahead to make your trades. So click on the market to select the trade you want to make use of, then select the price range, both the lower and upper limits, and that is just it. You go through the rest of them, and that is just it. So just like I said, futures grid are basically for people who want to magnify their profits via leverage in grid trading. So this is just it. So now the next one that we have here is our unlimited grid. Is what? Unlimited grid. So some of you will be asking me, okay, someone asked me the other time, what is this unlimited grid? Is it different from normal spot grid? So it says here, according to what we have here, it says no upper limit on the grid and no interference, suitable for slowly changing upward markets. So basically the unlimited grid is, they are more like spot grid with no price ceiling. So to avoid the situation where grids run out, unlimited grid strategies place orders geometrically. So, and the idea is to sell more digital assets than the initial value each time when the price of the digital assets rises. So, and to buy the corresponding amount of the digital asset when the price fall. So unlimited as grid, it helps us to buy more. The idea is basically to keep selling, buying and selling, just to increase movement of digital assets from one place to the other. That is the idea behind unlimited grid. So the next one on our the next one we have here is the smart rebalance. So guys, what is smart rebalance? What is smart rebalance? It says here diversified portfolio, reduced risk level, higher yields than simply holding BTC in the long run. So instead of holding your BTC in long, okay, let's just say smart rebalance is a strategy that rebalances the position portfolio to restore its initial set proportion. So instead of just holding your BTC, you can also trade some of it and increase your initial set proportion, guys. So like when the proportion of a single asset in the position portfolio breaches the set rebalancing threshold, the set periodically rebalances points come. This smart rebalancing is a little bit it ensures long-term steady returns. This is just the purpose of the smart rebalancing. It's for long-term purposes, and it ensures steady returns by giving up on the fluctuation profits from a single asset and constantly rebalancing the position portfolio, more like compounding. So but it will give up the rebalancing profit for the time. So this is just it for smart rebalancing. So the next one here, I don't know if you guys are understanding this, because this is just my own little way of explaining it. So but I hope you understand. In my next class, we're going to be trading. We're going to be practicalizing this features so that you get to see it for yourself, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up for this video. So the next one is margin grid. It says the upgraded version of the spot grid the updated version of the spot grid using leverage to magnify the principal and obtain multiples of returns. So this one you get multiples of returns. It combines the spot grid strategy with margin trading and amplifies the invested principles to obtain higher returns in the grid trading through margin lending. So if you already know how to do margin lending, margin trading in your sports, then this will be a very easy to understand for you, because this one the margin grid combines both sports and margin trading. Is an upgraded version of the sports grid. So guys, you might want to look out for it. So the next one I have here is the spot futures arbitrage. Spot futures arbitrage. So the spot futures arbitrage is a reverse transaction between perpetual contract and spot to arbitrage risk-free profits. So just like one of the golden rules in traditional financial market is that high risk often lead to high returns. But an emerging investment space, cryptocurrency market is experiencing widely rapid growth and has challenged the laws of traditional finance markets. So and just like you all know, quantitative trading mechanism that contradicts this golden rule, in which high returns are only achieved by taking high risk. So guys, the spot futures arbitrage reverses transaction between perpetual contract and spot to arbitrage risk-free profit. All these are all categorized under the reliable and long-term yield. Just like I told you earlier, no matter how you trade on it, you definitely make your returns. It may not be instant, but it will some of them, like that of sports, grid trading, futures trading, and unlimited grid, instant, you make instant yield. But that of smart rebalance, grid, margin grid, and spot futures arbitrage are more like long-term yield. So but that is why I say, however the case, you still get to earn. That is if you copy the right trade. So guys, this is just a brief explanation of the reliable and long-term yield strategy on Gate.io copy trading strategies, guys. In my next video, I'll be explaining the CTA signal tracing. See you in my next class. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.